Bitcoin to $10,000. That's right. If you've been following the Wyckoff method of technical analysis, and if you look at the charts and look at where is the starting point of the Wyckoff analysis and the Wyckoff trade that's been happening that flushed out the market here the last few days for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, phase A, where does that really begin? So take a look at the charts, take a look at Bitcoin historical charts, and you will see that phase A of the Wyckoff analysis method, the Wyckoff distribution method, is going to begin around 10,000. Bitcoin at $10,000. So somewhere around that range is where the A quadrant of the Wyckoff distribution method, the phase A, starts. And then as we've all seen, and it's been spelled out by a lot of people, showing you the charts and showing you Bitcoin's chart compared to the Wyckoff distribution chart, you will see that there is debate on what phase we're in now. And where we really stand right now is we are in phase E, ready for another leg down. So there's a little bit of a rally coming out of phase D going into phase E before the big leg down. So phase E is the denial phase. That's after the big initial drop where there's all the fear and anxiety and everybody's leveling out. Then you get into the denial phase right before you roll into phase E, where people just are denying the market, denying what happened, and are thinking that there's going to be a huge bounce and a huge rally. And it's the Wyckoff model just setting everybody up. And people are even saying that, you know, they know that this is happening, they see the model, but they still don't believe it. That's denial. That's what phase E is. So get ready. Bitcoin is headed back to 10,000. That is where it could potentially go, could very possibly go before it gets back up, before it grows legs and is off to the races again and starts heading back up. So just be prepared for that. Study that Wyckoff distribution model. Go back in the charts of Bitcoin and look at where it came from when it was Bitcoin 10,000. It's been off to the races ever since. We had one little correction down to about 15, 18,000, somewhere around there. Then it reached the top at 65. And then we've seen it go down, up, and down. And we had that little bit of a bounce here lately to put us into phase E for that next big leg down. It is still part of the setup. It's still part of the model. And what's funny is a lot of people are saying, yeah, there's a lot of manipulation. This sell-off was all about manipulation. It's still being manipulated. If they did it once, they can do it again and again and again. So just be ready, be prepared, be smart, have your limit orders in there, your stop orders in there, and just have your strategy ready. And as an investor, as a professional investor, no matter what you're investing in, you know, whether it's crypto, stocks, real estate, business, it doesn't matter what your investing model and strategy is. You need to have your exit plan ready for when prices are decreasing. You need to lead the markets down, lead the markets up. Markets don't move, markets are moved by market makers. So no matter what business you're in, no matter what market you're in, you want to lead it up and you want to lead it down. You don't want to be chasing it. So have a plan in place for what to do when it hits 30, when it hits 25, when it hits 20, when it hits 15, 10. I don't think it'll go below 10. That's kind of the last low that we saw before the leg up. And so it probably won't go below that again, but I do believe it's going to retouch that level according to the Wyckoff distribution model. This isn't my opinion. This is what the model says based on the chart. So take a look at it. Let me know what you think. Be careful out there.